the teacher wouldn't call, we would stare at each other, cause we were always in trouble. And all the cool kids who did their own thing, I was on the outside, always looking in. Yeah, I was there, but I wasn't. They never really cared if I wasn't. We all needed someone who gets you like no one else. Right when you need it most. We all needed someone to rely on, a shoulder to cry right through the highs and lows. I'm not gonna make it alive. I'm not gonna make it
Interview up.
And it's two-faced, with different eyes.